up, everyone? Today we're going to be learning Tornado of Souls. So, I'm not going to be covering the solo. Solos is crazy. I think it's the greatest solo ever written, actually. Also, probably one of the hardest solos ever written. I know how to play it, and I can cover it and do a lesson on it if you guys want me to. Just let me know. I'll happily be able to do it, even though it will take quite a while. It'll be like a 20-30 minute video, probably. But for today, we're going to be taking a look at the rhythm parts. So I know there's a few, and we're going to be dividing it up so easier for me to record and easier for you guys to learn as well, because you can divide the song into parts and just focus on polishing up one part and just getting it down, like the actual recording or how to play it live, and then move on to the other parts. So today we're just going to take a look at the intro that you hear with the power chord and harmonics at the start. That's the first thing we're going to be learning. Second thing we're going to be learning is the main riff. Third thing is there's like a little transition that goes on, this descending transition, not that hard. And then we have the verse. So I'm teaching the rest of the song in the next video. So we have the intro, then we have the intro riff, and the transition, and then the verse. That's the four things we're going to be learning today. And besides that, we're going to have the pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, and interlude and all that stuff in the next video. And then the video after that, we'll be covering the solo. But for now, let's get to the song. So what's going on here? Well, first we start off by hitting a B power chord 3 times. B power chord, 7th fret low E string, 9th fret A string. And then we're going to be doing harmonics. So for harmonics, what you're doing is you gently just lay your finger, I don't know if you can see, but gently lay your finger on top of the guitar string like this. And look, as you can see, my finger is touching. However, it's not fully pressed down. So if it was fully pressed down, look like this, like that. Look, right now it's just gently resting. So if you press down, it sounds like this. Pick it up, it sounds like this. So we want even balance in between. So you hit that a few times. Just lightly pressing your finger on top of the 7th fret of the low E string. And make sure you bar your finger across the 7th fret on all the strings, because we're going to need that in a second. So far we have this. Then after that, what we're going to do is 7th fret harmonic on the G string. Go back to the low E. So like that, and then do 7th from the D string to back to the low E. So like that. Alright, so all together for that part we have this. And then we just go to the next part, but first let's take a look at the main riff. So for the main riff, we're gonna have 7th fret on the low E string, then we're gonna have 7, 9, 10 on the low E string, and they're gonna be palm muted. So it's okay if it rings out a little bit, but try to keep it to a minimal. Then we're gonna do a hammer on and pull out motion on the 7th fret of the A string to the 8th fret on the D, 8th fret on the A string. So hammer on and pull off this. Then play 10th fret on the low E string. Then 8 to 9 on the A string. Then you're gonna play 7 on the D to 9 on the A. Then you're gonna pull off from 9 to 7 on the D string. Then to finish it off, 7th fret on the G string. So after you pull off from the 9th fret to the 7th fret on the D string, roll your finger, your first finger, like this. Like that. You see, I just roll my hand on. So I just like sort of drop the finger and bar, almost as if I'm barring, and just drop it down to the 7th fret on the G string. So. And you repeat the riff over again, so all together we have this. Alright, and then we have this little transition that happens right before we get into the verse. So it's not that hard, it sounds like this. Sorry. Yeah, now we start the verse. So for that we have 2 power chords at the start. G power chord to C power chord. So 10th fret low E string, 12th fret A string, to 8th fret low E string, 10th fret A string. Then we do this little descending wave. For that we have hammer on and pull off on 7 to 8 on the A string. So then hammer on pull off at 5 and 7 on the A string. Do the same thing on the 4th fret and 5th fret of the A string, hammer on and pull off. Then hit the 3rd fret on the A string, so all together. So after you play the 3rd fret, that's when we go straight into the verse. So right after you play the 3rd fret, you hit this chord. So that's a B chord with 2nd fret on the A string, 4th fret on the G string. Okay, so for the verse there's a lot of palm muting going on, but the first hit on the B chord, this B power chord, we don't palm mute it, it's open. So then we do 3 hits on this same chord, palm muted. So then jump up 1 string to a F sharp power chord, 2nd fret low E string, 4th fret A string. And you're gonna hit this twice, palm muted. So far we have this 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright. Then go up 1 fret to a G power chord, 3rd fret low E string, 5th fret A string. Hit that twice, palm muted. So far we have this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then play open twice, 1, 2. Then back to the F sharp power chord twice, 1, 2. Then G power chord twice. Then you start the riff over again. So slowly, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. Alright, so that's the verse. So that's basically the entire song. So let's do a quick overview. Alright, that's basically it for the entire first part of the song. Like I said, in the next part, we're going to take a look at the pre-chorus, chorus, bridge slash interlude, all that stuff. And then if you guys want to hear the solo, then let me know. The famous intro like that. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.